Hi, all. Welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati. And bond markets almost indifferent to the sharp fall in CPI inflation. CPI inflation for August, for September, was at 4.35%. This is against a reading of over 5.3% seen in August. And normally, when inflation falls so sharply, bond markets will react positively. Bond yields should fall. But here, the government bond yields marginally fell uh, uh, despite the very sharp fall in inflation, indicating that bond markets are looking ahead and they see a lot of inflationary pressures coming through. The fall in inflation is also largely due to what we call a base effect, where inflation for the benchmark period was slightly down. All these are year-on-year numbers. And at that point of time, food prices could have been higher, and maybe food prices are showing a drop. But with all that, even fewer, there is definite inflationary pressures coming through with a lot of other things like crude oil prices rising, supply chain disruptions, and a lot of demand for the festive season. And like we explained in the earlier bond bites, wage push inflation growth in the US, right? So all this, the market is wary of and not reacting very positively to the fall in inflation number. And also on the domestic economy side, we saw the index of industrial production. This gauges the production output in the economy, growing by over 11% for August. It comes with a 1 month lag. And again, this is a year-on-year number. So this also means that there could be, it was last year, August, the economy was still in lockdown in most places, just coming out of it. So in that sense, it could also be due to base effect. But still, the economy is definitely showing tractions of growth ahead. The Sensex and the Nifty continue to scale record highs, reacting positively to inflation, despite bond markets not being pretty much indifferent. And the equity markets are clearly looking ahead for a positive uh, second quarter results that the companies have started to throw up in the and will continue to throw up in the coming days and weeks. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to log into our digital retail bond platform, Quick Invest. You get a curated list of bonds. We have our own risk score. So you buy the bonds, the best bonds that you want to invest with your own risk profile. And we offer you complete information, transparency, and a seamless transaction process. Thank you very much. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so already. And yes, thank you very much.